I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all this. But I'm going to take you guys with me today while I tackle my monster in the house. Well, my second monster. My first monster is the laundry monster, and I don't think any mom ever gets that thing defeated. If you do, let me know how, okay? But I'm going to take you guys with me, and we are going to tackle this thing today, and we are going to clean it out and organize it. So let's hop into it. And it's kind of like the best angle I can get on this, so sorry guys.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away, you know that I want you to stay.
So I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the pantry. That's really the best way to do things when you're decluttering and trying to organize. There's no way you're going to get anything organized when it's all full of clutter and mess. And oh my god, you guys, this angle is just great. Yeah. Can you hear the sarcasm through my sick voice? Yeah. It's been a long weekend, you guys.
I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be with me? I think about you night and day, and I just want you here with me. I wanna be with you. You know it is the truth. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else.
So I'm dancing here because I found some of my new treats in the pantry. Those are my lactation support treats for breastfeeding my daughter. Trying to get my supply back up after it dipped after a procedure I had recently. And the Milky Mama products actually work pretty good for me, so I like them a lot. If you're looking for something to support you and help boost your supply back up, maybe look into Milky Mama and see if you can. They've got so much good stuff.
Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again?
Yeah, I'm a crazy woman, but guys, I wanted to get this done so fast. I have been dreading this project and putting it off for so long. I just didn't want to drag it on any longer than I had to, so I did everything I could to speed this process way up. And now I have to show you guys this because I don't understand. I have 2 of these. I don't get why. I don't even use them. I don't even know really what to use them for, but I have 2 of them in my pantry for some reason. And I just cracked myself up over it because I thought it was crazy.
To me, wanna feel you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
Anyone else's pantry disgust you sometimes? That's the fun thing about going through these types of things, is of course you find the gross things.
What I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away.
Oh, tisk, tisk, tisk. Someone's being naughty. Can you guess who? Someone is going through trying to sneak candy. No, no, no. Sneaky little boy. Yeah. The way he says yeah, it's just the most adorable thing in the world. So I'm gonna give him a little piece and, you know, let him have a little party for a second.
Can't stop looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid.
Oh yeah, your girl here's got skills. Comment down below if you know what that was.
You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark.
Yep, sorry not sorry. I listen to music and dance while I clean. It's about the only way I'm gonna get through it. Let's just be honest. Short girl problems, gotta solve them. Here we go. Like I've told you guys in my previous videos, we seriously go through so much tea. So much. Phew. Okay, now that that part is done, oh goodness, let's get down to the bottom of the pantry. This is driving me crazy. I want this project done.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening, happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark.
Okay, so I went ahead and got my mop and broom and cleaned out the bottom of this really, really well. Just because it had been a while since it was done, and with I had everything out, I wanted to go ahead and get it over with. So I want to show you guys my favorite cleaner. This is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. Why is that so hard to say? But it is an all-natural cleaner, and it just works incredibly well. I love it to bits.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind.
Welcome to my table of crazy. I could not believe how much I really had to declutter, you guys. It took so long. This is just insane. I really hope you're getting some good cleaning motivation out of this, and this is going to help motivate you to get up and go clean your own pantry and declutter it as well.
I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. We went out of the club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, dark. Met you in the dark. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Falling for ya.
If you guys are wondering, this is what I use. I get these essential 300 pack bags of tea from Bilo, and they just last me for a good little while. And that's one of the ways that I save money, is by not having to buy that constantly with how much we go through. Another trick for you here is with your bags, cut off the excess at the top. And that just makes it a little bit easier to store when you don't have all that excess. Now let's start putting everything back away, and let's make this thing actually look pretty. Are you ready? I'm ready for this to be done. Let's hurry. me show you guys how I make these. I just took some cards I had with duct tape and cut them up, and bam.
So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now.
Another trick for you guys is I had a lot of boxes that took up a lot of room, so I put them into my baskets. But I had some things like this Red Lobster biscuit mix that I didn't want to lose the instructions for. So I just pulled it off the back, and I kept the back of the box through the rest of the way and put that into my box where I put the mix stuff out, and it worked great. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this and it gave you some good motivation. Stay tuned to catch the final reveal.
Don't be scared.
Here you go, guys. Final product. I love it. I think it looks so pretty and just so chic and put together, and I love how I made everything just kind of match and look like me with throwing in some pink in there. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys again for watching. I really hope this gave you some great cleaning motivation and the will to get up and go tackle your pantry or your monster room in your house. Thank you guys for watching. If you will, please give it a like if you enjoyed it. And if you will, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the tribe and stick around for much more fun and motivation and lots more fun mommy things to come. It's totally free to do. All it does is just let you guys know when I post something new, as long as you hit that bell notification by the subscribe button. So thanks guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.